How far my ogbonge people, how una dey? For today's video, we go dey talk about 11 crypto scam wey scammers dey use take dey scam people for this crypto industry. As we go dey tell you, make you try dey note am down so that if you jam any of this one wey we go list, you go fit play smart so that you no go lose all the money wey you don dey earn for crypto or wey you don dey invest for crypto. But before we start to dey talk about am, if you be new person for this channel, I wan welcome you to Cryptopidgin channel. No forget to subscribe to our channel, no forget to like, no forget to comment, and if this video dey helpful, no forget to share. Although you never even know wetin we go list, but me I know say e go dey helpful because na better update we dey drop for this channel. So the number one for the list na fake support team. Fake support team na when those scammers dey pre ten d say na support team for crypto company or exchange dem be, so that they go fit get access to your crypto wallet, your crypto password and your crypto private key to take wipe all the whole money wey you don dey earn for the crypto exchange. They go dey message you different kind of message so that they go fit get access to your account. They fit tell you say someone dey try access your account, make you give them your password to take help you secure your account. All na lie. They dey whine you, nothing else. So just dey careful if you see this kind of message come your way. They fit send am with anything. They fit send am to your SMS, they fit send am to your email, they fit even send am for social media account. Just dey very careful. Number two na pumps and dump. Pumps and dump dey happen when group of people go manipulate the market with fake news to put fear for traders body. Example on how e take dey work be say they go put plenty money for the crypto asset, come dey use fake news talk say the asset go increase in value, say the asset na the next bitcoin, and after people put money, they go come comot their own money, come make the crypto asset dey useless. If you wan understand better, I get video for my channel where I explain crypto pump and dump, and I go drop the video link in the description below. No forget to check am out. The number three na email scam. Email scam na type of scam wey dey go find way get your email, come dey send you message wey carry plenty fake information on airdrop, bonuses, giveaway and many more. Those people fit spend money on social media ad, they fit even pay influencer make they promote their campaign so that they go just see say they get your email, and once they get your email, they go dey give you fake information inside that your email wey concern crypto, and if you no know, you fit fall victim and they go fit scam you. Number four na Ponzi scheme, pyramid and multi-level scheme. All those three things wey I mention, all of us know wetin Ponzi scheme be, as we don fall victim in one way or the other. Ponzi scheme na when they use the money wey they get from the new investor take pay the old investor till they no get new investor to invest money again, and since they no get money again, na to dey crash the market scheme be that. Pyramid and multi-level, all na the same thing. Na make they steal from Paul give Peter. Na wetin Ponzi scheme dey all about be that. So be careful for crypto industry because Ponzi scheme plenty well for crypto. Number five na cloned website. Those scammers go try by all means take create website wey look like the original one to take dey steal people information, take dey steal people crypto password, asset. Example na, instead of binance.com, let's say we wan use Binance as example now. We all know the spelling of Binance. So instead of binance.com, they fit create Binance, come add e at the end, then come put .com, so that you no go know say na fake website. As you dey put your login details, they dey use the same login details take dey login for the original website. One way to take know fake website na from the name. Try dey verify the name of the website wey you dey visit. Try to verify am well. Check am before you click on the link to go dey do anything. Go dey put your password. You get? So clone website and phishing na the same thing. You get? Na the same thing. So dey very careful for any link wey you dey visit wey concern crypto. Number six na malware. Dey very careful on the type of crypto software you dey download for your laptop, crypto app wey you dey install for your phone, all in the name of airdrop or anything wey concern crypto. Because as I dey talk to you now, plenty crypto software And crypto app na virus to take dey spy and get access to a crypto password and other things wey included wey be maybe your email, your password, your private key, all na to just dey spy wetin dey your phone and wetin you dey access for your phone. Those apps wey I dey tell you now dey plenty well well, so make sure say any software or any app wey you go put for your phone or your laptop make e dey very very legit. Number 7 na cloud-based mining scam. Hey, plenty of those cloud-based cryptocurrency mining na scam, as they go tell you say make you invest into the crypto asset to take dey do mining, so that as you dey do the mining the asset go dey increase, no fall victim, cause they go chop your money wey you take invest and they go waste your time too. Imagine say person chop your money come waste your time, omo that pain no be easy thing, so no fall victim. But the truth be say legit one dey, but na scammer own plenty pass. Just dey careful out there, because people dey ready to steal people money. Number 8 na social media scam. This one na the oga patapata of all. This one dey very common and e worse too, as people dey easily dey fall victim. All those Facebook group, Instagram investors, Twitter account wey dey share information wey fit mislead you based on say e concern crypto, giveaway or Ponzi Scheme platform. Na God I take dey beg you, dey very careful. Make sure say you no fall victim. Even the influencers wey you dey look up to for social media, dey fit pay am make promote scam website or scam crypto exchange or scam giveaway. He no know na influencer him being one chop too. Dey fit pay am big money, big offer, say make e just put am there say na original. Dey fit confuse am say na original this thing, na original platform, and him no know, and him go share am to you. You wey dey look up to am, you go just click on the link and they go take scam you. So plenty way as we see the list am dey go. The oga patapata of all na Telegram. Na there scammer full pass. They go add it to one group or channel, dey share crypto profit result to take dey confuse you. They come tell you say make you come pay for signal or make you bring money, make they do account management for you. My brother, my sister, 99% of them na scammers. I repeat, 99% of them na scammers. E dey shop now. You fit pay signal, people go dey pay you for signal. That one they get the legit way. Now why for Cryptopidgin? For Cryptopidgin here, we get our own signal group. We go dey drop signal, but we do am in a such a way we say you go enjoy am first before you pay for am. So for Cryptopidgin signal group, we go add you to the group for free for 1 month. And inside that 1 month, you go dey follow the trade wey we go dey drop. And after that, no person go tell you before you pay for VIP or not. I go drop the group link in the description box and the comment box. Visit am, join the WhatsApp group. There you see the signal wey go dey drop. Once e sweet you and you don make money small inside, then you go join the VIP wey go dey bombard you with signal. The number 9 wey dey na fake exchange. Scammer go come up with cryptocurrency exchange platform take dey deceive people to dey use am, and after some month they go carry their kaya run away with people money. So before you use any crypto exchange, make sure say e dey legit and verified. For this my channel, I don talk about legit crypto exchange wey you fit dey use. Try check am out as I go drop the video link on the comment section. Try check am out. I list up to 10 crypto exchange wey dey legit, and I give reason why I recommend am, say e dey legit. So make you try to watch the video as you go know which crypto exchange you fit dey use for the video. Number 10 na fake ICO. Wetin be meaning of ICO? ICO mean initial coin offering, wey e mean say na event wey crypto company go try raise capital for their project, and as they go sell new crypto asset to investor, as the investor go hope say the asset go increase in value on the long run as the project don kickstart and the project don dey give better value. So the asset wey they buy during the start of the project go dey increase, and the value for the asset go dey very very high. ICO dey legit, but scammer don dey use am take dey scam people. And one of the signs to know na when the crypto company dey promise you high return of investment in the future. You no fit invest $100 now, and person go tell you say make you invest $100 in the next 2 months, he go give you $10,000. Oga, na lie. E no dey work like that. If you dey work like that, e no go even share am to you. You get? E no go share am to you. Even people wey dey do account management no dey offer such. You get? So all those high return of investment na sign say the thing na fake. Number 11 wey be the last one na fake wallet scam. Fake wallet scam dey similar to fake crypto exchange, and scammer dey use am dey steal crypto asset from user wey dey use the fake wallet platform. Fake wallet get website version and mobile app wey be say e dey available for App Store and Google Play Store. Yes, e shock you. Fake app dey available for Google Play Store and fake app dey available for App Store. Dey fit package am wey be say Google dem or Apple dem, they no go even know, and they go upload am. So because e dey Play Store no mean say e dey legit. You get? E dey Play Store no mean say e dey very very legit. So make sure say you don confirm am say e dey legit before you use the wallet. So na all about crypto scam wey we get be that. No forget to add anyone wey you know say you know. Mention am, tell us about am, make we add am to the next list wey we go drop for this channel. If you get any question, you fit ask am on the comment section so that we go relate and answer them together. No forget to like, no forget to comment, and no forget to share, and no forget to subscribe if you never subscribe. Try to subscribe now and try to share. You know if they give you better info like this wey you no go share, you must share am to the people wey dey into crypto. Make them learn. E no easy make you use your hard money come put am for crypto, then person from nowhere, no be say na crypto collect you the money, person from nowhere go come scam you, carry the money run away. E go pain you now. If na you, e go pain you. So make you try share this video so that people go learn, people go take action, and people go know when something be scam or when people wan scam them. Thank you very much. I go see you for my next video. And for the next video, I will talk about NFT scam, how they take dey scam people for NFT too. That one go dey very very sweet. E go sweet well. So gum body so that once I drop am, you go see am too.